today. I just wanted to pop in really quick and continue. Or somebody left a comment on my tutorial, my last tutorial, requesting me to show them how to get an AI to take over a vehicle. So I'm just gonna pop in really quick and show you how to do that. If you watched the last tutorial, the setup changed a bit, so I just wanted to kind of go back over. You probably shouldn't be copying and pasting this tutorial verbatim, especially if you already have your own implementation. You should be just kind of taking this and taking the concept and putting it into your implementation however it works. But if you, just in case you are going over the tutorial, I wanted to show you that a couple things changed. So first off, the AI controller doesn't do anything anymore. I cleared everything out. We're running the behavior tree in the character when it's possessed. I also changed the is dormant behavior. So we upgraded the AI behavior to an enumeration just to make it a little bit easier. So the is dormant behavior changed to a check behavior. So now we're just taking the target key, converting it to an enum, and then checking to see if it equals the behavior type. I also added a couple sockets to the cube just for fun, so when we attach the driver to the vehicle and everything, we have some stuff there. And then here's the behavior enum. Basically, we're checking if we're dormant, if we're idle, if we're moving to a random location, or if we're in a vehicle. And then the blackboard here, let's see. Yeah, I just changed the dormant bool to behavior type enum. So that changed there. Then we're just checking to see if we're just checking our behavior type and then running behavior based on our behavior type. So there's nothing really special here. I also made a subclass of the vehicle. I was going to do some things here, but I decided not to. So the only thing we do, we just don't tell the AI to enter the vehicle when the vehicle's possessed. And I also turned off the AI controller here in the level, so the vehicle isn't possessed by an AI. It was kind of confusing to see if it was working or not for your guys' perspective when I had the vehicle doing stuff, so I turned that off just to show you guys. But here's our new character. We changed a couple things in the possession script, so now we're caching our current controller. Then we're checking to see if our current controller is an AI controller. If it is, we'll go ahead and set our behavior type to our starting behavior type, just a new property here. And then we'll go ahead and run the behavior tree, and then we'll go ahead and just run a little script here to force the AI into a vehicle. And then we have a couple methods here to disable the AI, the collisions for the AI when it enters the vehicle. Then we go ahead and attach the AI to the vehicle mesh, and then we tell the AI to possess the vehicle. Then once we leave the vehicle, we detach it. We repossess the vehicle with our old AI or with the vehicle's old AI controller, and then we go ahead and repossess the AI with the AI's old controller. We'll restore its collisions and then move it to a new position, just to make sure. Alright, sorry about that, that took a while. But the tutorial move to script is exactly the same as it was before. So if you saw the last video, nothing changed, but basically we're just making sure everything's valid. If it's valid, we'll go ahead. If everything's valid, then we'll go ahead and move to the player and then finish execution. So here's our vehicle, then this is our AI, this is our player. We'll go ahead and show you how it works. So you can see here the vehicle's not doing anything. The AI is going to keep moving to us. And sorry about the joysticks. This is for another project that I'm working on. So I just wanted to throw this in here really quick. But now the AI is in the vehicle. The AI is following us as the vehicle, and now it gets out of the vehicle and keeps following us. So it's still pretty simple. Really, with any concept like this, you just want to cache the AI controller and then set it to dormant. It's still pretty much the same concept as the last tutorial. And then go ahead and repossess the AI whenever you're done using the vehicle. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know, and I'll go ahead and pop up and make another tutorial for you.